My next session is about how to earn money by renting out room in your home or apartment. Listing your space in Airbnb is free. You set the price, your availability and reservation requirements for your guest. You can also custom prices to earn more during popular travel seasons. You can review each potential guest profile and reviews they have received to help you accept a booking only if you are 100% comfortable. Their support team is available 24 hours a day and every eligible booking is covered by their host guarantee to no additional cost to you. Now I will explain you how this Airbnb is working. This is the Airbnb website. Welcome home. Rent a unique place to stay from local host in 190 cities plus. Okay, I am scrolling down. You can see different types of cities in which Airbnb places are available. Here you can change the currency type and you can see how much the rooms are costing in your currency. Now let's go and see. Yeah, here you can see 232 euro. At first it was in Indian rupees. Now let us click for some rooms in New York. Here the rate is at Indian rupee. You can see the photos of the place and the cost. You can also see the stars and reviews. You can see the star and 71 reviews in here. Now I am clicking to see other sides of the room. Here you can get the room near to the address you are visiting or going. Now let's click how it works. Okay, discover amazing places, then book a stay in Airbnb, then travel to that place and stay at their home. These are the 3 steps in Airbnb. Okay, if you have any rooms in your home, start this one today. Many people are making their living with Airbnb only.